I am going to spray paint these metal patio furniture I got and restore them semi so I can flip them back on Facebook Market because I only paid 30 bucks. Comes with a table too, which is here. I'm gonna spray paint them with Rust-o-leum. Trying to figure out which one is the one I was shaking. It's this one because it was warmer. Sorry, my son's out here helping me. So these two I've already done. This one and this one I have not done yet. So Rust-o-leum Painter's Touch. This is good for metal, wood, plastics, and more. This is black. It's like $3.98 maybe, or $3.58 at Home Depot. Shake it for about 2 minutes. And then it's amazing. Watch this. I do small amounts. You can get closer, but because I clearly am trying to record and spray paint, it makes it pretty difficult. So I'm gonna do one section at a time, let it sit. That's why I have all 4 of them out here, because I'm, gonna let one sit, do the next one, let the other sit, do the next one, then do my second layer, and I should be done, within a few, maybe an hour, because I have to do the table too. But you can see the difference between this one. Oh, I didn't do that very well. And it's also not dried, so it's a little bit shiny. Because I got I think his semi-gloss. So this area will dry, but can you see this difference? This is crazy. Rust-o-leum. This is how you flip furniture and make them look 10 times better than what you bought them for.